What is gas carburizing? Gas carburizing is a kind of carburizing heat treatment process. It is to load the workpiece into a sealed carburizing furnace through the gas seepage agent methane, ethanol, etc., or liquid permeating agent kerosene or benzene, alcohol, acetone, etc. At high temperature, active carbon atoms are decomposed into the surface of the workpiece. A carburizing heat treatment process to obtain a high carbon surface layer. After gas carburizing, the chemical composition of the surface of steel parts can be close to high carbon steel. The workpiece also needs to be quenched after carburizing to obtain high surface hardness, high wear resistance, and fatigue degree, and keep the heart of low carbon steel after quenching, strength and toughness. Enable the workpiece to withstand the stamping load. Carburizing process is widely used in aircraft, automobile, tractor, and other mechanical parts, such as gear, shaft, camshaft, etc.